The greatest challenge in today's world isn't technology, it's communication. Everywhere that we go today, workplaces, classrooms, customer service counters, online spaces, people are struggling to communicate, struggling to listen, struggling to connect. We have a global crisis of poor communication, low emotional intelligence, and declining behavioral standards. That's where the British School of Excellence steps in. We solve the human problem. We help people speak with clarity, show up with confidence, lead with emotional intelligence, and navigate the world with courtesy, respect, and grace. Because when communication improves, everything improves. Careers, relationships, leadership, customer experience, and well-being. If you want to become someone who communicates with confidence and calm authority, stay tuned.